Hello, it's Cam here at Motor Match Stoke, showing you today this used Toyota CHR IXL finished in black. This 2017 model comes with a 1.2 litre petrol engine and is paired to a manual gearbox. The front LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night. And this car stands on 18-inch black machined face 10 double spoke alloy wheels. This Toyota features around 375 litres of usable boot space capacity, allowing room for smaller luggage items and general shopping. Stepping into the back of the car, we can find the two-tone leather seats with the black and brown contrasting colour combo. There are ISOFIX points, and moving our way up front, we can see that there is the black dash with the same contrasting elements on the door sills, and the seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort on those longer journeys. Taking a closer look now at the multifunctional leather-wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel, we can find controls on the left for the volume as well as the voice control and hands-free telephone, and on the right for the cruise control system and virtual cockpit navigation. The virtual cockpit has different display layouts to best suit driver preference, including driving data and media options. And speaking of media, the main touchscreen infotainment system does include radio with FM and DAB, as well as satellite navigation. And we can also access Bluetooth to allow for hands-free telephone. When putting this car into reverse, we can bring up the rear view parking camera. And located below are the controls for the climate control system with 3-way heated seats, followed by a small storage area with a 12-volt socket including an aux cable port, a cup holder, and another cup holder in front of the armrest, which can be opened up to reveal more storage inside. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this used Toyota. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.